Activity for using movies in the ESL classroom, vocabulary match. This game can be played individually or in groups. Hand out a list of definitions of items that are contained within a particular movie scene. Using the descriptions given, each student or group must identify and write down the items while watching the movie clip. For example, a list of definitions for a garden scene might include an implement used for digging holes, a container for growing plants, used for drying laundry. Points are awarded for each correct answer. This can be quite a tough activity, so you might need to play the scene through several times.
Thanks so much for watching. We are ITTT, the leading provider for TEFL and TESOL training courses. If you like this video, please subscribe by clicking the button down here and click on any of the videos here on the left for more interesting teaching tips for getting certified to teach English abroad and online.